to fillet flathead. Always start with a nice sharp knife. Here are two beautiful sand flathead. To begin, make a cut next to the pectoral fin down to the spine, then turn your knife 90 degrees and follow the spine all the way to the tail. Now repeat the process. Here it is again. I like to start the cut between the two pectoral fins. This way you get more meat and make skinning easier. To skin the fish, get your thumb behind the wing of the flathead and gently remove the skin from the fillet. Here it is again. To debone the fillet, feel with your finger the last bone. Then make a cut and follow the shape of the rib bones. Now do the same on the other side. Take your time, it's worth it. That's one down. Here it is again on the next 3 fillets. Now you have a beautiful boneless fillet of flathead. There are many different ways to fillet flathead. This is the way I prefer. Thanks again from Toba's Fishing.